So, hello guys, I would like to welcome all of you on this session for the interview. And from tomorrow, you are going to start your interview preparation. Okay. So, what is this and why we have started so early? So, let me talk about it. So, why now? Because productivity matters. And what is productivity? Means if you see the prelims and mains, in the prelims, you get the objective type of paper and you are going to mark it. So you are not there, means UPSC is not watching you. Same goes with the mains. But in the interview, you are in front of them. Okay. And when you are in front of someone, so you have to study a lot. Of course, the method will be completely different, but you have to prepare a lot in the interview. And when you clear the mains, and those who are from Delhi and surrounding part of Delhi, generally you get only 20 days or 18 days. Then in that 18 days, you cannot prepare each and everything. And we don't know how they give the interview date. Sometimes they change their policy. So you might be very happy that yes, you have cleared the means. Now it is only the last step. But in that last step, if I'll give you only 20 days, then you cannot prepare for the interview. Okay. And then it becomes very difficult to prepare. So that is why some productivity should be there in interview prep as well as after mains. We are like बहुत सुस्त पड़ जाते हैं कि अब कुछ नहीं करना है इतना पढ़ाई की मेंस दे के आए. But होगा क्या ना कि if you are lagging, like if you are not going to study for 1 or 1.5 month, then it becomes a problem for you to start your preparation again. So something you have to do each and every day. Okay. And this urgency thing, like as I have said about the timeline, it is a lengthy process. Interview preparation is lengthy. An interview is not only about the mock. So please do not confuse interview preparation with the mock. Mock is just one step. Okay. Mock is like you are attempting some prelims test series of different coaching, but you cannot attempt that prelims test unless you have studied that particular topic. Are you getting it? So the same goes for the interview. So we have to prepare for the interview. So mock interview is like solving the prelims test. It is nothing more. Okay. Then how we prepare for interview? First is DEF, and this DEF is very important. Okay. And we will talk about all these things. So first is DEF, then current awareness, not affairs. Okay. Here you are not going to write it. You have to say in, let's say, 30 seconds. So you must be aware what is happening in India, across the globe, in your town, in your home state. So that awareness has to be there. Then hobbies, of course, it is a different section, and you have to prepare your. We'll talk about all these things. Then optional. Optional is very important. Sometimes what happens that you get some question in interview from your optional. And again, I'm saying it is interview preparation. It is not for the mains. So you should have some idea about each and every topic. Then they will try that they will link your question from optional to day-to-day life. They might quote some thinker and they might ask you that why, what do you think that that particular thinker is important in contemporary time? So they might ask. Then every day read and work on fitness. Personality first look is the last look. So what is this personality? We have two personalities. One personality that is outer. Okay. So we have two personality. So one personality that is outer personality. How do we look? So this fitness thing will handle that issue. So you have to be fit. You have to work for your fitness. Unless you do it, then you are going to be doomed. And for internal personality, you have to read some books. And I have given you the list of the books. And when you are going to finish such books, I will keep on adding the book list, because this personality, as I have said, has two parts. External, you have to take care of it. You must look fit, because suppose you are interviewer and there is a guy who is fit and he is looking very confident, then it is likely that you are going to interact with him more then the others. And there is a guy कि बस पता ही नहीं चल रहा कि ये जो वॉल्यूम है वो कहाँ कहाँ पे कहाँ सब जा रहा है और कोई फिटनेस नहीं है, तो वो दैट थिंग रिफ्लेक्ट्स ऑन द फेस, as they say na, that in fit body rest a fit mind, right? So we have to work on these both the processes. Okay, so let's move further. Why some don't score good marks in interview? As you have seen that every year we see that some are getting like 200, 206. That is the highest marks. If I'll say the average marks is 160, around 150 to 160 marks. If you are getting very low, like 120 and 130, then there is a problem, because now you don't know what would be your score in the mains. There is a possibility you might clear your mains by just 1 mark. Then how to get some rank? By getting 206 marks, means highest marks. That difference they carry. Even if you are clearing by just 1 mark, then in the interview, if you are going to get the highest marks, then you will get some rank. Some rank means बिल्कुल last वाला rank. So these, there is one thing myth involved that it is purely luck. No, it is not purely luck. Yes, there are several things like which board you are getting, what is the mood of the chairman, and how is your mood on that particular day. So yes, you can say these are luck, but other things are in our hand. Some say that only IITians get very good marks. It is not true completely. Some say it's about your personality, and the interview is all about your personality. So I would like to differ here. Interview is not about your personality. It is not, and it cannot be, because no one is a perfect human being. We all have the shortcoming in our personality. And if you are going to present your real personality, even sometimes in life we don't even like ourselves, we don't even like our own personality, then how can we say that it's about the personality? So what is this some get very poor score because of lack of filters, and filters are the thing which is going to change your preparation, and we will talk about it. Filter, note it down somewhere. This filter thing is very important, so your personality must come through these filters. Okay. So what is this filter? So interview is not about your personality, but your personality with filters. Okay. So what is the filter that suppose we have seen the farm protest which is going on. Okay. There is a possibility that you might be pro farmer, and there is a possibility you might be anti, because nowadays India is being divided between pro and anti, and you might think that these are terrorist, Khalistanis and all. So in your personality, it is there. And when someone will ask you a question in interview, and suppose that interview is going like a stressed interview, and you might say कि नहीं नहीं सर वो तो खालिस्तानी थे, उनकी बात करनी है, then you are wrong. Then you will you then you should not expect more than 120. You are doomed. You are gone. That happened last year with one of and she was expecting very good marks in her interview, because according to her, in her entire life she's bound of interview, and she got around 123 or 124 marks, because in interview they have asked one question, that in Delhi there are a lot of protest going on, what is your view that Delhi being a capital of protest? And she was anti protest, कि हाँ सर सही बात है सर, बिल्कुल बेकार है, ये प्रोटेस्ट करते रहते हैं, कोई मतलब नहीं है. But protest is your fundamental right. Peaceful protest is your fundamental right, and Delhi is the capital. So what happened? She didn't use the filter, and whatever came to her mind, she was like, boom. Then again, like in normal life, like when we talk to our parents or friends, we don't say uh, this like when we are talking about prime PM. So we don't say PM or Prime Minister. We say Modi. अरे यार मोदी तो ऐसा है, अरे राहुल गांधी तो ऐसा है, अरे केजरीवाल तो ऐसा है. You are not sitting on a chai wala shop, or you are not standing on a pan wala shop कि जहाँ मोदी ऐसा है मोदी वैसा है. No, you are sitting in front of the interview board. So he is not Modi, he is Prime Minister of India. Whenever you are going to talk about any personality means not the terrorist ones or criminal ones, but जो public life में हैं, either you are going to use the prefix as their post. That's our Prime Minister मोदी जी, ठीक है. और थोड़ा और इज्जत देना है तो ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर, बिकॉज दीज आर द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल पोस्ट. You may or may not agree with him, but you are sitting in UPSC hall. You cannot say Amit Shah, Home Minister. He is Home Minister of India. And now Rahul Gandhi is no one. So if in some conversation his name came, you should say Shri Rahul Gandhi. You may or may not agree with him. अब नॉर्मल लाइफ में राहुल गांधी के बारे में क्या क्या स्लैंग वर्ड यूज होते हैं वो सभी को पता है. गलती से भी निकल गया हो तो गलती से भी यू आर डेड. यू आर कंप्लीटली डेड देयर. तो ये फिल्टर क्या है? फर्स्ट थिंग, whatever thinking pattern now from now onwards we are going to develop, it should be based on the Constitution of India. What Constitution of India says, that is supreme for us. You cannot go against the Constitution of India, come what may. Second is Supreme Court judgments. If Supreme Court has given some judgment, always respect that particular judgment. Always. There is a possibility that on adultery, one judgment came, I think, last year. You may not agree with that. But whenever Supreme Court gives the judgment, it becomes the law. It becomes the law. And it is being followed throughout the India. You may have problem with their some judgment, but you cannot go against them. Third is the government stand. Again, nowadays we are seeing a lot of protest. Okay, lot of protest. But we'll have to abide by the government stand. Because when you are going to become a civil servant, okay, and there are some people who think कि बस दुनिया बदल देंगे, पता नहीं क्या क्या कर देंगे, कुछ नहीं बदलने वाला है. सरकार आदेश देगी, उसको फॉलो करना है. Your job is to carry out the policy which the government has made for the nation. You may not agree with their policies, but you cannot say that that's a no, I'm not going to do it. ठीक है. इंटरव्यू में जाके ना अमित कुमार नहीं बनना है गंगा जल वाला कि पता नहीं हम क्या कर देंगे और कुछ भी कह देंगे. ये सब जो बकवास बातें हैं, कुछ लोग वीडियो में कहते हैं कि आप तो बस अपना स्टैंड लें, उस पे लगे रहें, सब बकवास है. ट्रस्ट मी ऑन दिस. ट्रस्ट मी ऑन दिस. ये गलतियां नहीं करनी है. नेवर कमिट दीज मिस्टेक्स. Whenever you are going to follow any issue, you have to read the government stand. There is a possibility that for the CAA, NRC, you might have a different viewpoint. But what the government is saying, first you have to go through that. Then, fourth thing, we have to look for the balanced expert opinions. Because as I have said, the whole country is being divided, pro and anti. Either they love the prime minister or they hate. अब जो एक पहले मिडिल पाथ जो था वो अब नहीं है. Either they love him, either they hate him. But we don't have to stuck with these two extreme sides. So we need balanced expert opinion. And how to get it? We are going to get it from RSTV debates. It should be in your habit from now onwards that you watch the Rajya Sabha TV debate. If you are like कि थोड़ा बड़ा है तो SOMP का भी summary आता है. You can go through those summaries. Second is IDSA for internal security and IR. It is a very good website. So these four things, these filters are going to save you, nothing else. Otherwise, you are doomed. You might have scored very good marks in mains, but if you are getting low marks in interview, then there is a possibility you get rank 100, but you will not get the IAS. There is a possibility you get rank 70 or 75 or 80. You are IAS, but you know what cadre you are going to get. No one prepare for this exam for IDSA, for joining the Indian account service. Although we say like all the services are equally important for the nation, but are you preparing for account service? Are you preparing for ordnance factory service? No, you are preparing for IAS, IPS, IFS, or IRS. Beyond that, I have not met anyone who was like कि मैंने तो बस account service के लिए ये exam crack करना. No one does that. So, so don't leave anything. So I hope I'm completely clear on these filters, and we will use it. Like we will uh, see this when we are going to whenever we are going to pick any issue which was in news for longer time. Okay. I hope I am clear till now. Any doubt? Feel free to ask. No doubts? Am I audible? सब सही है?
हाँ सर सही है।
Okay. Then DAF, DAF. What is this? So why DAF is very important? Let me tell you. DAF is you. It's not just a single form. It's you. That who you are. I have not met you, and those who will join the interview batch, and whenever we are going to conduct the mock, you will give me your DAF, and by seeing your DAF, I will judge you that okay, this person is this. I don't know you, but DAF is you. It's you. So ensure that you prepare your DAF well. No mistake should be there. You should not give them a chance to ruin your interview. When you are going to fill DAF 2, I don't want any spelling mistake or ये छोटे छोटे बच्चों वाले error. So DAF is you. So what is this? Some personal information about you, your name, your age, some info about your parents. Then this educational background, whether you are BTech, whether you are BA, whether you are MBBS, MBA किया है, कहीं और कुछ भी किया है. Okay. So this education background is very important in DAF. Generally, personal information is not that important, like your name, and suppose you have a famous name, and everyone knows the meaning of their name. If you don't, then please find it out. What is the name? What is the meaning of your name? So these are silly things. It don't require much time. In personal information, there is a point: your city and your state. That matters a lot. So as I was talking about current awareness, not affairs. So in the current awareness, you must be aware about your uh, things are happening in your city or state. Then education background is very important. And why I'm saying that prepare for interview from now, because if you are BTech and suppose you have given 3 attempts and you have not worked in any core or IT company, then you have no idea about your subject. You have forgotten each and everything. There are some boards in civil services exam when you are going to when you are going for the interview. There are some boards who are like उनको तो आपके बीटेक से ही क्वेश्चन पूछना है, and then you are stuck. Then you are completely stuck when they are asking some technical question from your BTech or BE or from the BA. Suppose someone has done from sociology and अब वो बड़े बड़े thinkers नहीं है, then you are stuck. And this particular thing will require time. You don't have to become expert in this, but what is expected, at least basic knowledge should be there. And what is their view? Their view is very simple, that you have spent 3 or 4 years in a course, and if you don't know anything about it, then how can we trust that you are going to become a good officer, right? Then this thing, working or non-working, those who are not working, it is fine. We'll find one common answer to this, एक सम्मानजनक सा. But those who are working, now is the time. Suppose you are working in government sector or private, whatever work you do and whatever you are going to put in your DAF, they are going to ask question from this side. Certainly they are going to ask कि अच्छा आप इस पोस्ट पे क्या काम करते हैं, and do not confuse that they don't know anything. They are like मतलब इतनी नॉलेज है ना उन लोगों के पास, you cannot even imagine. They know each and everything about this world, beyond the world, about sports, music, everything, each and everything they know, and you will be shocked to see that. So don't think that you will fool them. They have worked in the government offices for like past 35, 36 years. They have very good experience, and by that experience they are going to kill you if you are beating around the bush or if you are trying to fool them. So you have to learn, you have to understand ki, at this post what I'm doing, what is my job, and about your organization. Always know something about your organization. Suppose someone is working in GST, and in GST he is working in, let's say, audit office. So that person, and it is not expected from him to have some knowledge about customs because he has not worked there. But it is expected that from your audit office, because GST is a very big department, GST and customs, and very diverse. It is expected from you that you should know about your audit office first thing. Second, uh, second thing is you should also know that what does audit means and what you do on that desk or field. And third, current happening about GST. You must have a clear idea about that. They are going to judge those who are MBBS. Suppose you have not practiced much, but they are expecting, because look, if you are MBBS, if in DAF I'm seeing that Dr. XYZ, so I have immense respect for them, right? So I am expecting that you have a basic knowledge about the things, and you are numb. What is this corona, sir? It's a virus. So everyone knows. मतलब WhatsApp family group पे तो कोरोना का पता नहीं क्या क्या लोगों ने पढ़ लिया. But from you, they want the technical things. That what technicalities are there. So you have to be good in your profession. Okay. Then services. Suppose someone is going to choose IPS over IAS. या फिर IAS ही है. So why IAS? It is a one question which you can expect. Then hobby. Hobbies are very important. So we'll talk about hobby. It is very, very important. Okay. Then this current awareness, इसको कैसे करेंगे कि एक तो पॉकेट ऐप हम लोग करेंगे यूज. Second is government website. Third is R&D, and fourth is SOMP is going to discuss on. We will try that each and every topic we are going to cover. This violence, this violence, Delhi violence, some security issues, some IR issues, some economy issues, social issues. So all those things will be discussed in length. Okay. So this we are going to do. Then hobby. If you have, then it's good. If you don't have, you have 2 months time. You can create a hobby, and do not feel it like, है ना कुछ लोग जो रहते हैं, अरे आप ब्लैंक कर दो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. दिक्कत है. What is the problem? What is the problem if your hobby section is blank? Let me tell you what is the issue. Issue is you are giving them the time to ask you some question which you may not be aware about. Why we say that that is important? Because whatever you have mentioned in the depth, so you are turning the interview in your side. And now suppose there is a candidate hobby है ही नहीं, और बहुत जोश में किसी से सुन लिया था कि हाँ हाँ भाई कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, लिखेंगे ही नहीं. अब हॉबी लिखी नहीं है, but I am the part of the board and I have to ask the question. So where I will dig? I will dig in your optional. I will go for your technical background, or I will ask some very different things. Then there is a trouble. if you don't have, it can be created in 2 months. Trust me. Hobby does not mean that uh, you have to become Shahrukh Khan of acting. हाँ सर एक्टिंग करता हूँ, कहाँ पे करता हूँ सर, लोकल क्लब है वहां पे करता हूँ, कुछ एक्ट कर दो, कर दिया, दैट्स इट. So this is the list. You can choose any hobby out of it. Following issue is also good, but you have to, like, when you write about hobby, it has to be particular. Okay, let me tell you why. uh, this hobby, reading. Okay, and and here you have opened the Pandora box, because you have not limited yourself here. Whether you like fiction, whether you like non-fiction, whether you read poetry, whether you like Indian author, Western author, स्पिरिचुअलिटी पे पढ़ना पसंद है कि नहीं है, तो यहाँ पे ओपन नहीं छोड़ना है. वी हैव टू क्लोज इट. सो विल एड सम एडजेक्टिव लाइक फॉलोइंग इशू ऑन आईआर, फॉलोइंग इशू ऑन इंटरनल सिक्योरिटी. सो इट इज मोर पर्टिकुलर. ओके, डायरी राइटिंग ये तो ठीक है, योगा मेडिटेशन, सो कहीं भी ओपन नहीं छोड़ना. अब ट्रैवलिंग है, सो ट्रैवलिंग लाइक व्हाट, सोलो ट्रैवलिंग कर रहे हो, क्या ही कर रहे हो. और ट्रैवलिंग पे तो इन माय इंटरव्यू दे हैव आस्क्ड गुड क्वेश्चन, सो आई विल बी एबल टू शेयर ऑन ट्रैवलिंग, movies, and this internal security, these three things. Okay, so hobby has to be there. The more you are leaving your df blank, the more you are in trouble. Okay, so this is the thing about hobby. Last thing is, learn something new. As you are done with your mains, and during this time you might be watching Netflix, or you might be just sleeping, or you might be just killing your time. But after mains, these 2 month time, and those who are old senior players, you know the value of this 2 month time, because after that again you will enter into the cycle, and that cycle will be interview. If you clear well and good, otherwise prelims, then mains, and again you will come here for this 2 month cycle next year, right? So we don't have to kill this 2 month time. So learn something new, challenge yourself. कि ठीक है, मतलब कुछ 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 ऐसी चीजें जो कभी नहीं करेंगे, करते हैं, कुछ मजे आने वाले हैं, और एक एक्सपीरियंस मिलेगा. और यू कैन सर्व द वनरेबल सेक्शन, किसी एनजीओ के साथ में कर लो काम, कहीं भी कर लो, तो ये इंटरव्यू में भी काम आता है, एक सेटिस्फेक्शन भी देता है. देयर इज वन थिंग व्हिच आई हैव नॉट मेंशन्ड इन द दिस पीपीटी. दैट थिंग इज, there is a myth that you have to show yourself that you are capable of becoming IAS, you can change the world, this and that. So sometimes arrogance comes, and when arrogance comes in our mind, that is not good. That is not good at all, because you are going to argue with the board, and there you don't expect any good marks. So one rule is never argue with the board. That you have to keep in your mind. Suppose they have asked one question to you, and you have a particular viewpoint. And generally, UPSC interview is not what you read on YouTube. कि वहां पे ऐसा क्वेश्चन पूछा कि अंडा ऊपर से जमीन पे गया तो फूटा क्यों नहीं. नो, दे डोंट आस्क सच स्टूपिड क्वेश्चंस. दे विल आस्क यू वेरी गुड क्वेश्चंस. यूपीएससी इंटरव्यू स्ट्रेस्ड नहीं होता है. बोर्ड बहुत अच्छे रहते हैं, बहुत ज्यादा वो कॉपरेट करते हैं. सो दे हैव गिवन यू अ टॉपिक एंड यू हैव ए व्यू, एंड दे विल बी लाइक, नहीं बेटा इसमें ऐसा है, इसमें ना पता है ऐसा व्यू है, एंड दे विल गिव देयर व्यू. रिस्पेक्ट दैट, accept it, move on. So here is a thing. I'm not saying that if they are playing a game with you, then you should be like trapped. No, if they are playing the game, then of course you have to counter with the points. But एक होता है ना कि डिबेट में एक पॉइंट आता है कि जहाँ पे हमको जो कहना था कहा, सामने वाले को लगा कि नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है, दिस इज नॉट द केस, एंड दे हैव मोर नॉलेज देन यू, एंड दे आर टेलिंग यू द नॉलेज. Say thank you to them. कि thank you sir for correcting me. Thank you sir. Matter over. Okay, matter is over there. But some student have the habit कि नहीं नहीं, हमें तो पता नहीं, अब यहीं पे बैठ के सारा दुनिया बदलनी है, देश बदलना है. Start arguing with the board. Then they get 110, 120. So if you want to get 110, then you can be Amit Kumar of Gangajal. But if you really want to score good marks, patience चाहिए. उनकी opinion को proper इज्जत दो. They are far senior than you. You don't fight with them. Okay. So these are the basic thing for the interview. And how we are going to proceed. We are going to work in three sides. First is DAF. In the DAF, things which are tough, things which require a lot of effort, we are going to finish those things on the priority basis. So on the priority basis, we are going to finish those things. We will not leave such things for after the mains list well way out. Will not. So like your job, like your educational background, like some topics, some events which has happened earlier. We'll divide this whole 2 month time into 8 weeks. Every week we will pick some task. So first is from the DAF side, the toughest thing which will include in task. Second thing, you have to read novel, whether you like it or not. You have to. Of course, I have shared a list. You can choose, but you have to read because that will open your thinking. With a closed mindset, you are going to give them bookish answer, and they are not expecting such things from you. Interview is more about the conversation which you have with senior officers. एंड थर्ड इज फिटनेस वाला साइड ऑफ कोर्स वो नॉवेल और फिटनेस के साथ ही है वो करना ही करना है हाफ एन आवर 1 hour टू योर फिटनेस यू हैव टू डू एंड द थर्ड थिंग इज दिस current awareness wala part we will pick some of the topic for a week and we will pick the umbrella topics and we will try to understand that what is this issue and then we will try to finalize the points because in interview okay there are many rules for interview which we will keep on sharing like your speech. Okay. Some have habit. If I'll ask you that why the farmers are protesting, and again they are senior officers, और वो अर्नब गोस्वामी की डिबेट नहीं है वो बहुत धीरे धीरे बोलते हैं कि बेटा ये फार्म लॉ जो बने हैं इसके लिए प्रोटेस्ट चल रहा है सम स्टूडेंट हैव द हैबिट टू रिप्लाई वेरी क्विक तो अब वहां पे उन्होंने फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सेकंड का पॉज लिया एंड यू आर लाइक अच्छा यही क्वेश्चन था हाँ सर देखिए इसलिए चल रहा है एंड यू स्टार्टेड आंसरिंग एट द सेम टाइम दे आर एडिंग some line to that question then it becomes embarrassment for both of you and if you do the same for 2 in 3 4 questions then it is like कि इनका attitude अच्छा नहीं so what is the rule for that whenever we are going to uh, talk and whenever I will take the sessions this is just introductory one from the next time our videos will be on and we'll talk about issues so what is it then what we'll do we'll use one rule 3 second rule so what is this 3 second in your mind you will count 1 2 3 अब ये 3 सेकंड में उनकी तरफ से कुछ भी लाइन नहीं आई तो इट मींस यही क्वेश्चन है और अगर आ गया देन यू आर लकी कि चलो जल्दबाजी में कुछ बोला नहीं तो ऐसी बहुत सारी चीजें हैं which we are going to do in the interview. Okay, so these are the basic things. So we'll divide the task into weekly basis. And in this week, I would request all of you to go for your graduation and post-graduation certificate. Sorry, this subject. Okay, and in that subject, try to find a friend. And it is always better to find a friend who is working in the same sector. Suppose if I have civil engineering as a branch, then I must find my friend who is a civil engineer and who is working in the civil engineering side because he has that knowledge. And then उसको बोलो कि यार थोड़ा सा मुझे ये तैयार करा दो और जो पुराने टॉपिक थे अपने मार्कशीट निकालोगे तो वहां सब्जेक्ट के नाम लिखे रहते हैं तो जस्ट बेसिक अंडरस्टैंडिंग उसकी ले लो ये बहुत बड़ा टास्क है और इसको अगर इस वीक में खत्म कर दिया तो मीन्स बहुत बड़ा टास्क खत्म हुआ है ठीक है So एक तो वो पिक करना है सेकंड नॉवेल एज आई हैव सेड आई हैव शेयर्ड द बुक लिस्ट You can choose, but you have to read. And third, current awareness. So in this current awareness, we are not going to touch the agriculture issue as of now, because it is an ongoing issue. Okay, it is an ongoing issue, so we are not going to touch it as of now. We'll touch it like next after 2-3 weeks. So in this week, I will take one session on violence, mob violence, and suppose they will give you some situational based questions where you are the SP or ACP, then how you are going to deal. So we'll talk about the psychology of mob and how we handle such things. So that is thing number one, which we are going to cover. Second thing is, I want all of you to prepare a list that what all you have learned from the Corona times, because it is one unique experience in our lifetime we have which we have felt like पूरी दुनिया बंद है, हम भी बंद है. There is a sense of fear, and we have survived. So what are the lessons you have learned personally, and what all changes you have made in your life? So very small task it is from this side, and but yes, education one, it is uh, tough task. Okay, so this much we are going to do in this particular week.